Marshall,
really think I know
don't do
it.
that, young man.
Really?
Marshall.
Open that big present last.
Alright, hand that to Mommy. Very gently.
Winsy Lee. Thank you. Look and see what's coming out.
Alright.
Yeah!
Oh my goodness! What is it?
Ew.
No, I'm just playing. Alright, you ready?
Go.
You sure?
Yeah. Go.
It's your big present from Mommy and Daddy.
Pull it out.
Alright, hold the box.
I knew what it was.
Hold on.
Boy.
No.
Yay!
What do y'all have?
Thank you.
Look, feel it. Look, it's got a hologram on it. Isn't that cool?
Your very
We'll
own
get them all
Steve.
rigged up and then y'all